The police say Westmoreland's most wanted man was shot and killed during a security operation in Bluefields in the parish. The other two other men from the incident managed to escape and are now being sought by the security forces. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
The police say they were conducting covert operations in the heavy vegetation around the Bluefields area when 3 gunmen opened fire at them. The police engaged the gangsters in a shootout, and when the standoff ended, a man was found suffering from gunshot wounds. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The dead man has been identified as Andre Hines, also known as Bunny. He was Westmoreland's most wanted gangster.
Andre Hines has tormented, along with his cronies, persons in the Alder area as well as Hudson Street and the Russia areas where he's originally from, and has been wanted by the Westmoreland police for multiple murders, 7 and counting, shootings, extortion, as well as robbery and other offences that he has been wanted for the longest while.
2 other gangsters who were involved in the gunfight with the police are being warned to turn themselves in.
Devon Bennett, O.C. Santa, and Moses Ramsey, O.C. Moses, are 2 men that were currently personally shot at the police this morning, and they have been wanted before that incident for other crimes committed in the Westmoreland Police Division. We are saying to those men, you need to turn yourself in, find a lawyer, a pastor, or some representative and turn yourself into the police no later than 12 noon, Monday, February 14th.
The police say the 3 gunmen had migrated to the area to try and elude the security forces' dragnet.
They would have left the Hudson Street area where there's currently a zone of special operation in effect, and they chose this hilly terrain of Alder to exact more mayhem on the community along with his accomplices. Today was the end of that for Hines.
The operation in the rural district came as a shock to one resident.
Just frightened because I said, what is going to happen? That's all. That's it. So just watching to see what was going to happen. I didn't even know. It was the most wanted. I don't know. I didn't even know.
An AK-47 rifle, along with 2 magazines and several rounds of ammunition, were also recovered from the scene. The police are reminding law-abiding residents not to harbor criminals as the counter-offensive against gangsters continue and some look to seek refuge. The police say anyone caught sheltering gangsters will be prosecuted. Residents are encouraged to contact the police if they observe strange persons or criminal activity in their communities. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.